This is a home that we bought in 2001. It was beyond repair, so we had to demo it, but we did do a lot of salvaging pre-demo. We removed a lot of the windows, some antique brickwork on the house, some stonework was removed, some windows and wood doors. But as you can see, it was just beyond repair. The foundation was in terrible shape. Now we're installing piers in this foundation. You can see right there that pier goes down about 16 to 18 feet depending on the soil conditions of each lot. We have to have a soils report done prior to getting a building permit, which determines the depth of our piers, what kind of soil is underneath the house, and how many piers and things like that are predetermined before we ever get out here and begin our foundation work. As you can see right there, that pier is about 12 inches in diameter, and it goes down, like I said, 16, 18 feet deep. They're strategically placed by the engineer who designs the foundation based on the load, based on the weight of fireplaces and various things. And they're all filled with concrete. As you can see right there, that has been filled up with concrete and rebar. You'll see shortly some rebar will be going in. And those are strategically placed, as well as the depth of them are at the bottom of the beam, depending on how deep the beam is that the engineer has designed. Those piers that support the beam and the beams throughout the house. Right now he's getting ready to add the rebar that I was talking about earlier. It goes in each pier, and normally there's two of them. You can see right there he's got two in his hands. On a 12-inch diameter pier, you normally have two pieces of rebar that are about the same depth as the pier. And now he shove them down in there, and then he'll put his foot on, push them on down into the where they belong there.
So how deep these holes been?
Oh, they're pretty deep up there.
18 feet?
18, there wasn't 18, 17, 18 up on this end. What's up, man?
What's happening?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're getting ready to pour the foundation, and I'm out here filming this just to make sure we got all our pier caps all totally cleaned off. I make that a point to make sure my concrete guys clean off each pier perfectly clean. There's no dirt or debris or anything on top of those piers to give that pier the full strength the house is sitting on those piers. So no dirt can be on them, or any kind of rocks or debris or anything spots. You can also see the plastic there lining the beams, as well as the post tension cables are in. I film each one of my foundations like this, just to prove to my homeowners, if we ever have to go to court or wherever, I can show them we did this thing right. I do everywhere in my house like this. So take a lot of pride to make sure that foundation's done properly. There's a little dirt right there, it's got to be cleaned off. That's a fine foundation work right there, getting ready to be poured. And the pumper truck is there getting ready to pour the job. He's setting up. The concrete trucks will actually back up to him and unload their concrete right into his pumper truck, and he'll pump the concrete throughout the foundation.